Hell yeah, brother.
2025, baby.
Summer Sling.
We're checking in here at Plant Bamboo. We're coming in live at you. Cheers to me, cheers to you. If you can't come in, come on her, baby. Let's go.
That was cool.
That was a good shot.
And guess who he dusted? Got him!
So I know it's real. How you doing?
He's in the weeds. Somebody lost their little truck.
On a 50-yard line while the dirty birds kick the tree. And if you like it in the club, we can do it in the DJ booth or in the back of the VIP.
Heard it's money on my head, what is that to me?
The Yoda!
pouring up, money I'm pouring up, liquor I'm pouring up, go get you another cup.
Are you ready? God, come over here.
Just give me the last name. The rock to the bar, to the point, to the flatland. That man ain't ludicrous.
All of my boys and me.
What you got? Send it. Go slow.
Oh, look, there's TJ.
Send it. Got a little dirt beard going.
It's all right.
A dirt goatee.
It shows the effort.
Yeah. Alright, so for an update, last night I slept in the tent for a couple hours until TJ started his truck up and was pumping diesel exhaust right where my tent was set up. So I hopped in the truck and I moved over way over there in the middle of the field and actually got some good sleep with the truck on and the AC cranking. Today it's supposed to rain really bad, so we're packing up the tents behind us. Apparently we got a tornado warning as well, and there was a tornado that came through here on Wednesday, so I'm not going to chance it with the tent. We're going to pick it up and we're going to go mudding some more.
like that shirt.
Thanks.
Dance or make her dance.
Nah.
That's awesome.
And I wanna, you make it so good, I don't wanna leave.
Send it. There it is. What got you into mudding events? I've been born and raised in this.
Redneck Yacht Club, rest in peace. You'll never let a truck like this back in there.
I know, what happened?
That's my hometown log, you know.
Well, I went to California and I had me a band. Then we played in all the bars and all the southern lands.
So what mods have you made to it?
65-inch conversion, upgraded clutch, Rhino axles, 3-inch lift, and then 33s.
Nice. Well, it's running very good.
It's going okay. Usually broke.